27, 2016, Havaldar Hangpan Dada was martyred while fighting terrorists in the Naugam sector of Jammu and Kashmir. Posthumously awarded the Ashoka Chakra, Dada served in the 35 Rashtriya Rifles. During an encounter with infiltrating terrorists, Dada was seriously injured but managed to single-handedly kill 3 terrorists before sacrificing his life. Born on October 2, 1979 in Arunachal Pradesh, Dada joined the Indian Army on October 28, 1997 and later served in the Assam Regiment and Rashtriya Rifles. Known for his bravery and dedication, he was deeply respected by his comrades and senior officers. On May 27, 1964, Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India, passed away in New Delhi. Recognized as Gandhi's successor by the end of World War II, Nehru became Prime Minister on August 15, 1947 and served until his death. Some believe that if Mahatma Gandhi had not influenced Congress's internal politics, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel might have been the first Prime Minister. Journalist Durga Das noted in his book India from Curzon to Nehru that Rajendra Prasad expressed concerns over Gandhi choosing Nehru over Patel. Since independence, India has had 14 Prime Ministers from Nehru to Narendra Modi, including leaders like Indira Gandhi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Manmohan Singh.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी, एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On May 27, 1957, Indian politician Nitin Gadkari was born in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Currently serving as the Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Gadkari is known for his no-nonsense approach. He has significantly advanced modern transportation technology in India, from implementing FASTag to promoting alternative fuels, e-vehicles and sea transportation, earning him the nickname Highwayman of India. Gadkari began his political career with the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad during his student days and is admired for his dynamic personality and collaborative leadership. In 2023, a Marathi film titled Gadkari was released depicting his life. On May 27, 2006, a 6.4 magnitude earthquake struck Indonesia, resulting in significant loss of life. Indonesia, located in an active earthquake zone known as the Ring of Fire in the Pacific Ocean, frequently experiences natural disasters, including earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The Ring of Fire is a region with numerous active volcanoes and seismic activity. According to the USGS, Indonesia has experienced over 150 earthquakes with a magnitude greater than 7 between 1901 and 2019. The world's most active volcano is also in Indonesia, highlighting the country's vulnerability to seismic events. On May 27, 1994, renowned Russian novelist Alexander Solzhenitsyn returned to Russia after 20 years of exile in America. Expelled from the Soviet Union by then leader Joseph Stalin in 1974 due to his anti-government writings, Solzhenitsyn's citizenship was restored in 1990 by Mikhail Gorbachev. Solzhenitsyn was celebrated for his works exposing the Soviet Gulag system. He passed away in 2008 at the age of 89, leaving behind a legacy of courage and literary excellence.